During the week of my second placement, the students in my grade 10 civics class were being assessed for a unit they were about to complete. And so they had a project wherein they had to create an island whereupon they and the rest of their class would be stuck and they had to form their own government. So this project involved teamwork, creativity, a written and an oral presentation, and they had to do this in front of the whole class. What my AT did was that she asked me to mark the groups individually, but she was also going to do the same thing. So I was quite baffled as to why she did that. However, I went along with it, and then at the end we compared our marks, and we noticed that we gave different marks to the same student. So she chose to explain why she gave that mark, and it was because she was taking into account who that student was, what their interests were, what their personality was when she was giving them a grade. She was thinking of their limitations and strengths, whereas I, who was still an outsider at the time, was marking based on what I saw and what was on the marking sheet. So I saw how my AT applied the 3 steps that Martinson spoke of, which would be conscience, peer opinion, and publicity. She knew she had to adjust the marks because she knew each student's situation. She consulted me, then gave both sets of marking schemes to the students as well, explaining why one sheet had this mark and then the other one had a different one. So we worked this way for several assessment tasks, but not all of them involved adjustment. And it was only during those times when she knew evaluation had a more subjective aspect that she applied this kind of process.